In this video, I want to show you how to connect your working folder and your resource folder in TerrSet. So let's get started. To do that, the first thing to do is to create your working folder. So let's create a working folder here on desktop. Just right click on desktop, come to new and click on folder. So let's call this TerrSet. So we have created a folder here called TerrSet. So inside TerrSet, open it and create more folder. For example, you may want to create a folder where you put your data. So create a new folder and call it data. Then you can also create another folder and call it results. Click on it. Let's call this one results, such that all the result of your analysis will be in this folder called results. So we are done creating our folder. Then you can bring in all your data inside this folder called data. After you have done that, let's launch our TerrSet. Double click it. So when it opens, you can close this window. Then the first thing to do is to expand this TerrSet Explorer. Then come to projects. Then you need to create your project. To do that, right click here and click on new project. Then navigate to your folder. That is your working folder. This is it on our desktop, TerrSet. Just click on it and click on OK. You can see the new project has been created here. Now come under editor. We want to connect to our working folder and our resource folder. So to do that, come here, which is new folder. Click on this icon and resource folder will be created. Then click here and click on these three dots. Then navigate to your working folder, which is this TerrSet, expand it and add your data folder. Click on data and click on OK. Click yes. So our data folder has been connected. Then our working folder, which is where all our result of our analysis will be saved. So click here and click on these three dots. Then navigate to your folder and click on results. Click on OK. Our working folder and the resource folder has been connected. So this is how to connect your working folder and resource folder in TerrSet. Thank you for watching.